Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust checkboxes wide and height using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option. Select here. Click. Now click on the selection option and select your checkboxes, dragging your mouse. Now right click this middle one. I will make this one, and here you will find this set field same size. You can choose height and width, both of them. I will choose here width and see this. All of these checkboxes wide already same size. Now I will make these two checkboxes. Height I will adjust. Click here, properties. Here you will find this height option and see this height adjust. Also will align. See this. In this way you can adjust all of these checkboxes width and height. Also you can make all of this same size. You can adjust both of them. See this. Select here and click right button. Here you will find this height and width option. I'll choose both and see this. Two of these now same size. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.